Namaste students. In this video we are going to see exercise 8.4 first problem. Express the trigonometric ratio sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. So you have to write sin A, secant A, tan A in terms of cot. How we can write in terms of cot? Before this problem, just I recall the formula. Listen, for that I am going to draw a super hexagon. If you didn't see that formula trick, means the link in description box, see that, then it will be easy for you. Draw a super hexagon. And join the diagonals like this. And then here mark 1. Here write 1. And you have to start with tan square theta, sin square theta, cos square theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. So you have to start with tan square theta, sin square theta, then cos square theta. What is the reciprocal of tan square theta? That is cot square theta. Then sin reciprocal is cosecant. And then cos reciprocal is secant square theta. So the formula, first you have to shade this one, shade this triangle and this triangle, and draw the arrow mark like this. It has to start from sin square and like this, and then same. So the formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Clear? This is a trick to remember trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Clear? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then the curve is starting from here. So 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. And then tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. So the three important trigonometric identities. Okay, by using these formulas, I am going to express sin A, secant A, tan A in terms of cot A. How we can now see? First, I am going to take sin A. Sin A with respect to cot we have to write. Sin what we can write, we can change this into reciprocal. Sin A we can write in terms of cosecant. 1 divided by cosecant A, that is reciprocal of sin. Then we have to convert in terms of cot. What formula we can choose here? Relationship between cosecant and cot, we have to choose 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So here we have cosecant square theta. In terms of cot we have to change. So I am going to take this formula. Clear? Then take that formula first. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Okay. So here we have cosecant theta only. First write 1 divided by 1 plus cot square theta. Here we have cosecant A only, not cosecant square A. So you have to shift this square to this side. Then what you will get? Root of 1 plus cot square theta. Root of 1 plus cot square theta. So what is the answer? 1 divided by root of 1 plus cot square theta. So we expressed sin A in terms of cot. Okay. Next is secant A. Secant A. First we changed sin A. Next secant A. Next secant A. How we have to change this one? We have secant theta in terms of tan only. So first I am going to write in terms of tan, and then tan we can convert into cot because the tan reciprocal is cot. So I am going to choose this identity. So write that identity first. First write the formula that tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. Write the formula first. Here we have secant A only. Here we have secant A only. So you have to shift this square to the left hand side. Then it will become square root. Okay. Here we they have given with A angle. So represent with A. Clear? And then here root of tan square A plus 1. Root of tan square A plus 1. Then this tan A we can write in terms of cot. How we can write? Tan reciprocal is cot. 1 divided by cot A. So instead of tan A, I am going to substitute cot A. Root of, here we have tan square A. So we have to write 1 divided by cot square A plus 1. Cot square A plus 1. And then take LCM. Take LCM. Cot square A, that is 1 plus cot square A. Clear? And then here we have square. Here we have 1 plus cot square A. We can't cancel this square and the square root, but in the denominator we can cancel the root and the square. So first separate it. Separate like this and then cancel. So the answer is 1 plus cot square A divided by cot A. So we expressed secant A in terms of cot A. In terms of cot A. Clear? And then next one, tan A. You have to express this tan A in terms of cot. This is very easy. How we can write in terms of cot? Tan is equal to, we know that tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. This is a reciprocal formula. This is the reciprocal formula. So straight away you can write tan A is equal to 1 divided by cot A. Tan in terms of cot. Clear, Kana? By using these three identities, we expressed sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot. Clear all of you? Thank you children.